Hey guys, this is Om and welcome to Civil Raja, your gateway to future. So guys, in today's session, we are going to talk about architectural plan. So basically, a client approached me with an idea that he wants G+3 story building plan and structural design. So the basic idea was that on the ground floor, he wanted to make four shops of which he is going to rent out. And on the first floor, he is going to make a residential unit. Okay, so I will explain everything step by step. Let's go to the screen and check out the plan. Okay. So over here, you can see this is the ground floor plan and the whole area was 49 feet by 49 feet, but not all the area was to be covered. So first of all, let's understand the plot. So it is a 49 feet by 49 feet square shaped area. Now, in the front side, we had a 16-foot road, and on the east side, we had a 12-foot road. Okay. Now, what was the deal? Like in the 12-foot road, it was quite clear, and the client didn't had to leave any kind of space over there. If he wanted to cover, he can easily cover the whole area from this side. On this side, he has another building that is already in construction, and I've already explained that building plan to you. So you can just check it out. So basically, this plan is also from the Patna, and both the buildings side by side are there particularly designed and planned by me. Okay, now in the back side, he has his own land till this area, and behind that, he had another land which is belonging to his relative. Okay, so I hope you have a quite good idea about the plot. Now we will get an idea of the plan itself. So what I've done over here in the 16-foot wide road that is lying in the south direction. So over here, we had to leave a space of 2 feet for the ground floor. The building is to be like constructed for a plinth height of 3 feet. Okay. Now, so we have left a space of 2 feet from here. Then we have left another 3 feet so that we can provide the access to the shops. So I have planned one stair over here, and then these steps are there. So I suggested him to go for like a plain height of 2 feet and 6 inches, and let's see, that is still in discussion what he wants to go. But you can see whenever we have to plan accordingly, and you can see over here that I have left the space for one more step. Okay, so that even if the client wants to increase the plinth height to 3 feet, then we can go for that. Okay, so all the things we have to consider while we are doing the planning. Then we can have these four shops. One is having the like size of 11 feet 10 inch by 18 feet 4 inch. Another shop is a little uh, less spacious with the same depth, but the width of the shop is 8 feet 8 inch. And then there is another shop 3 with 10 feet width, and the shop 4 is having the width of 11 feet 7 inch. Now why I'm not divided all the four shops with equal area? Because we have to like place the walls in such a way that columns are in sync with the walls. Now columns are not just for the ground floor, columns are something that will go up to the first floor. So we have to just plan the first floor in such a way that all the columns are in the perfect sync with the ground floor. Okay, so I hope you have got the idea of column placement. Now client has told me that he wants to get the steps from the back side of the building, and it was correct according to the Vastu also. Like it is not the best portion, southwest is the best direction for the the stairs, but over here it is like provided in northwest direction, which is not not bad from the Vastu point of view. Okay, so over here it is also okay from the Vastu point of view. Now here you can see there are a few more steps because the client is willing to separate the shop 4, or you can say he is willing to divide the shop 4 in two different shops. One will have access from this side from the 12-foot road, and for that the buyers can approach this one. Now this one will be a small shop over here. Okay, so if he wishes to divide it, then he can simply make a wall over here and he can easily divide it. So I have to consider everything that that my client was demanding. And if you also want me to plan your house according to your need, then you can contact me. My contact number is 8433248864. I will also like write the number in the description so that you can easily reach me out. Okay. Now, if you think that I am quite good with the planning, then you can simply hit the like button to this video and share this video to those who are willing to make a building plan. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my civil channel, Civil Raja, so that whenever I upload a new video, then you can be easily notified. And for that, you have to just do one more thing, that after the subscribing, you have to press the bell icon. Now, if you want my building consultancy services, you can simply call me on this number 8433248864. I will be happy to help you out with your plans in the minimum charge. Okay, now over here you can see uh, we have divided the four shops over here. Then we have the stairs with the standard dimensions of 3 feet 3 inches of the landing width is there. Okay, sorry, the steps are 3 feet 3 inches wide. Then we have the landing of 3 feet 6 inches. Okay, now here you can see the landing is a little more over here. Why so? Because there is a column placed over here, and this is something that is related to the first floor. So let's go to the first floor. Over here you can see we have our stairs. So if any resident of the building is willing to use the stairs to reach up to the next floor, he will not have to mess up with any of the passage of the shops. He can easily go from one floor to another floor without disturbing the other floors. Okay, or you can say the residents of the other floor. So the outside stairs are very beautifully placed over here, and this is a stair of internal size of 16 feet 8 inches by 6 feet 8 inches, and here the steps are 10 inches as the tread and 6 inches as the riser. The building height is 10 feet 6 inches. So on total we have 21 steps over here. Now once someone will rise from this stair, he will go to the next floor, that is the first floor over here, and he will have a main door to the entrance of the building. And then we have a bedroom on the left side, which is also having an attached bathroom, which is quite spacious with the dimension of 5 feet 10 inches by 7 feet. Okay, now you can see the bedroom is also quite good with the internal dimension of 12 feet 8 inches by 11 feet 9 inches, which is almost 12 by 12 of the bedroom. Okay, that is equivalent to that one. Then we have a hall. This hall is taking us to the balcony, which is 4 feet wide, and that is quite spacious for a 2 BHK house. Then we have our drawing room, which is having a separate dimension of 18 feet 8 inches by 11 feet 9 inches. And then we have a dining area just beside our kitchen, which is quite spacious of 12 feet by 7 feet. Then we have another bedroom of 12 feet by 11 feet 9 inches. Now you can see the sizes on the first floor are distributed accordingly. Now I have not given any door to the balcony because was not the demand of the client, but I have extended the balcony of 2 feet wide over here also, so the client can easily put a washing machine or anything else if he wants. And there is a road on this side also, so even a 2 feet wall balcony. I personally don't suggest a 2 feet balcony, but since the space constraint is there, and the client wanted to use the maximized space, so he was willing to go for the balcony, so I provided him the balcony. Okay, so uh, over here, the plan is quite clear with you. If you want me to make your plan, just call on 8433248864. I will be happy make you a good plan like this. And yeah, one more thing. Over here, you can see we have all the details that are here. So what I provide you, if you are coming from me, approaching me to make a plan or structurally design your building, so you will get the plan, okay, with the detailed markings over here. Then you will get all the details of the stairs, okay, what has been used, then the dimensions, so that the construction can be easy, a decent plan that you have already seen. Also the dimensions of door window schedule will be there. Then if you are also going for the design, then you will get the locations of the footing and also the sizes of the footing with the reinforcement itself. In this particular project, we have used the pile footing. Okay, so pile foundation is there. So what should be the pile? What should be the like details of the pile cap? Everything is mentioned over here in very detailed manner, and you can see the dimensions are very clearly mentioned. So it is very easy to construct, and actually we have already like constructed the plinth. Sorry, the piles have been done, and I guess the digging of the pile cap is also completed. So if I get a chance, I will give you a simple short video on this one also. Okay, and I will study this whole plan in detail for you. Okay, so the structural drawing will be studied on this very channel. So if you haven't subscribed this channel yet, then you can simply subscribe it. And you can also, if you are not going for the structural design, then you can also use this data, because this data has been generated in the STAAD Pro with the combination of the RCDC. So you can use it for G+4 building if that building is in zone 4 or basically in Patna. So guys, if you want the professional training on how to do all these things, then you can also approach me via the same number, that is 8433248864. I provide the professional training for the building planning, the structural design, the drafting of the structural designs. Everything will be shown to you in detail, and I'm just giving you a glimpse of how my structural design output looks in the end. So you can see I have also used some attractive colors over here to categorize the different beams, so that my client finds it convenient when he has to work on it. Okay, so everything is quite clearly mentioned over here, the slab schedule and everything, the staircase schedule. So on the ground floor, he has to make floor to floor height of 12 feet. Then on the first floor, he has to make a height of 10 feet 6 inches. So everything can be just adjusted accordingly. Okay, so I hope you have understood this. Now it is the time to say goodbye. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye, guys.